Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's out there in the infinite expanse? It's a question that has sparked curiosity in human minds across the ages. A question that has led us down the path of astronomical research, fostering our ceaseless endeavor to comprehend the enigmatic cosmos. This quest for knowledge is spearheaded by many organizations, but one stands out amongst them: the International Astronomical Union. Established in 1919, the IAU is the largest body of professional astronomers in the world, dedicated to promoting and safeguarding the science of astronomy. Operating under the motto Via Coeli, meaning the way of heaven, the IAU has been instrumental in many groundbreaking discoveries. Its contributions span a myriad of astronomical fields, from defining celestial nomenclature to promoting education and outreach. Today, we delve into the top 5 contributions of the International Astronomical Union in enriching our understanding of the cosmos. Ever wondered how we all sync our clocks despite being in different parts of the world? Well, we owe a big thank you to the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, for that. They've played a pivotal role in establishing what we now know as universal time. You see, universal time is a time standard based on Earth's rotation. It's a modern continuation of Greenwich Mean Time, which was the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London. This standard has been instrumental in synchronizing activities across our globe. But it's not just about making sure we all set our alarms at the right time. This synchronization is crucial for astronomical observations too. It allows astronomers around the world to coordinate their efforts, ensuring they're looking at the same slice of sky at the same time. So, next time you check your watch, remember the IAU's contribution. With the universal time, we've been able to coordinate our efforts in observing and studying the cosmos. What distinguishes a planet from a dwarf planet or an asteroid? Well, that's where the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, steps in. They've played an indispensable role in defining and classifying celestial bodies. Imagine the cosmos as a vast library, and the IAU as the librarians, organizing and cataloging the books, or in this case, planets, asteroids, and dwarf planets. Remember when Pluto was demoted from planet to dwarf planet back in 2006? That was the work of the IAU. They determined that for a celestial body to be classified as a planet, it must orbit the sun, be spherical in shape, and have cleared its orbit of other debris. As Pluto fails to meet the last criterion, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Controversial? Yes. But this classification has given us a more structured understanding of the celestial bodies in our cosmos. We now have a clearer picture of the celestial hierarchy, thanks to the IAU. How do we differentiate between billions of stars in the cosmos? A question that puzzled astronomers for centuries. But thanks to the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, we have a system in place. The IAU has taken on the monumental task of naming and cataloging celestial bodies, a task that has been instrumental in creating a standardized system for astronomers worldwide. Imagine the chaos if every country, every observatory had its own system. But with the IAU's system, a star known by a specific name in Australia is known by the same name in Canada. This has facilitated global collaboration and advanced our understanding of the cosmos. The IAU's system is not just for stars, but extends to galaxies, planets, asteroids, and other celestial bodies. It's a cosmic dictionary, a universal language that brings order to the infinite expanse of the universe. Through this nomenclature, the IAU has made the cosmos a bit more comprehensible for us. How is the joy of understanding the cosmos shared with everyone around the globe? The International Astronomical Union, or IAU, has been instrumental in this noble endeavor, tirelessly promoting astronomy education and outreach. The IAU is not just about advancing our understanding of the universe, but also about sharing this knowledge far and wide. They've made it their mission to make astronomy more accessible to the public, helping us all to look up and marvel at the wonders of the cosmos. Through a wide array of initiatives, they've been breaking down the barriers that have traditionally kept astronomy out of reach for many. They've developed educational materials that are used in schools around the globe, inspiring future generations of astronomers and scientists. They also organize public events such as the annual International Astronomy Day, where everyone is invited to gaze at the stars and learn more about our place in the universe. They've even created a network of astronomy ambassadors, individuals passionate about sharing their love for the cosmos. And let's not forget about their efforts to protect dark skies. a natural resource that's vital for both astronomers and all those who simply enjoy stargazing. They've been working tirelessly to combat light pollution, ensuring that the beauty of the night sky can be enjoyed by all. The IAU has made it possible for each of us to partake in the grand cosmic adventure. How does humanity keep a vigilant eye on the cosmos? Well, the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, plays a significant role in this. They endorse astronomical observations from around the world. These observations are the bedrock of our understanding of the universe. Through their endorsement, the IAU encourages continuous exploration, fostering a global community of astronomers, both professional and amateur, united in their passion for the cosmos. They believe that the more eyes we have scanning the skies, the more we can learn about the universe's mysteries. The IAU provides guidelines and standards, ensuring that observations are accurate, reliable, and consistent. This is crucial as it ensures that astronomers worldwide are on the same page, making discoveries that are universally accepted. Moreover, the IAU recognizes that technology is a powerful tool in this endeavor. They promote the use of cutting-edge telescopes, satellites, and other observational tools to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. In this digital age, the IAU also encourages the use of software and digital platforms to share observations and findings, making astronomy more accessible and collaborative. But it's not just about looking up. The IAU also encourages us to look inward, to analyze and interpret what these observations mean, to ask questions, and to seek answers. This is the essence of scientific discovery. Through these observations, our understanding of the cosmos continues to expand, thanks to the International Astronomical Union. So, what do these contributions mean for our understanding of the cosmos? Well, they've given us a universal time, classified celestial bodies, standardized stellar nomenclature, promoted astronomy education, and endorsed astronomical observations. Each of these achievements has significantly deepened our knowledge of the cosmos, allowing us to decipher its mysteries with greater precision. Through the efforts of the International Astronomical Union, we are no longer just inhabitants of Earth, we are citizens of the cosmos.